All right, let me start with a question. When was the last time a gadget surprised you? And I don't mean a nice little update kind of surprise. I mean something so tiny, so weirdly smart, that you actually pause and go, wait, how is this even real? Yeah, that was me the moment I picked up this thing. Soundcore Work, Anker's tiny coin-sized AI recording gadget that literally weighs as much as a couple of paper clips, 10 grams. The size of a coin. And yet somehow, this little circle is trying to replace every notebook, every voice memo app, and honestly, maybe even your assistant. Let me show you why. So picture this. You're walking into a meeting, or a class, or a random conversation where you know something important is about to be said. Normally, you'd be fumbling with your phone, unlocking the screen, tapping record, hoping you didn't miss the good part. With this thing, one press boom, it's recording. Before your brain even decides what's happening, it's already capturing every word. And the best part? You can literally wear it, clip it to your collar, hang it like a necklace, or, this is my favorite, slap the tiny magnetic charger onto the back of your phone using the metal ring they give you, and now your phone basically has a built-in AI microphone. It's clever, it's neat, and it makes you feel like you're living in 2030. But hold on, the real magic doesn't even happen on the device. It happens after you record, because the moment you stop the recording, the audio flies straight into the Soundcore Work app. And that's where the AI takes over. This thing is using GPT-powered transcription, summaries, templates, the whole deal. If it was a meeting, it organizes your action items. If it was a lecture, it highlights the core points. If it was an interview, it formats the entire conversation. You don't just get text. You get something that reads like it was written by a hyper-organized human who never gets tired. And it supports over 100 languages, speaker separation, structured reports. Honestly, if you're a student or someone who sits through long meetings, this thing feels unfair, like you're cheating the system a little. Now, tiny gadgets usually mean tiny battery life, right? Well, not this one. Bare device, 8 hours of recording. With the magnetic charging dock, 32 hours? Yes, 32. You can literally record an entire day of classes, meetings, interviews, and still have juice left. But nothing is perfect. So let's talk real for a second. Just so you know, this thing is not for secret recording. It has a blinking indicator light. Legally and ethically, they want you to know it's recording. And everything you capture goes to the cloud for transcription, which is super convenient. But if you're someone who works with sensitive conversations, you'll definitely need to think about that. Oh, and the subscription thing. Yeah, it's there. You do get 300 minutes of transcription every month for free, which is honestly generous for casual use. But if you want the full power features, like merging multiple recordings into one big report, or 1,200 transcription minutes per month, that's locked behind the Pro plan. The good news? If you sign up before March 31st, 2026, they give you 6 months free to try the whole thing without paying a cent. But listen, here's why this gadget actually blew my mind. It's not trying to be a fancy smartphone replacement. It's not trying to be a complicated recorder with 40 buttons. It's literally trying to be one thing: the fastest, easiest, smallest way to capture anything important the moment it happens and turn it into clean, organized notes without you lifting a finger. And when you see something this tiny do something that useful, it just sticks with you. So yeah, Soundcore Work by Anker. The little coin-sized AI recorder you didn't know you needed, but once you try it, good luck living without it.